guys, I'm Dave from Dave Knows, and today I'm going to show you how to make a robotical hand. The first thing is you need to take like a straw or anything that can bend, and then stick it on like a piece of cardboard, and then you can draw on it or color on it, and then make holes in the cardboard, and then you just make all the fingers, all the 5 fingers, and then if you want, you can just cover them with like a cap or something, and you can also just decorate it like I have, and you can put, and then you can just make with cardboard these, and then these just like a semicircle shape, and then make a hole on top of it or inside it, both of them, and then you make 3 of them, and then you can see what I have made, and there, and now you need to thread them. I need a little help with my threading, but I did it, and there and then you can see the threads. There's one thread right there, and all the other threads are right there. See, you can see the threads, and now I'm going to show you how it works. See? Cool, right? You know how it happens? Because this can bend. It can bend, and when the bending does, you're actually pulling it to bend down. That's how it happens. Bye guys, see you in my next channel of Dave Knows.